Aloha everyone, this is Hawaii Spicolaty. Today I'm making something called Millionaire Spaghetti. You heard it right, Millionaire, because it's really rich. It has sour cream, cottage cheese, and different sausages. It's kind of like a cross between a lasagna, but it's baked in a pan and it's pretty easy to do and it's very delicious. First of all, I have here a combination of pork sausage and hamburger meat and any kind of sausage that you want. Now, sausage, I took a package and it usually weighs about a pound or a little bit more. This one was 19 ounces. So it has the casing on it. Cut the casing all the way across and then I just peel it off and discard the casing. There's three parts to it. There's first of all, the noodle underneath, and then there's a meat sauce and a cheese sauce. So now we're going to do the meat sauce. So I'm going to put the sausage in here in a skillet, break it all up. Now I'm going to drain out the grease. And then I'm going to brown the hamburger. The hamburger is brown. Now I'm going to pour it in the same colander and collect all the oil. And there's enough grease that I can saute the onions and garlic. So you can see there's quite a bit of grease in it. One onion diced up. The onions are translucent, and now I'm going to add the garlic. About a tablespoon or so. And then I'm going to add the hamburger and sausage. Then I have a large can of diced tomatoes. And then a can of marinara or spaghetti sauce. And then a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Sorry, the pan is a little small, but it'll work. Cook for about half hour. Now I'm making the cheese layer. I have here 8 ounces of cream cheese, and you have to soften it. Now, if you're in a hurry, you can just put the cream cheese in the microwave for about 30 to 40 seconds to soften it. Otherwise, it'll be hard to mix. So you see it's nice and soft now. And I'm going to add 1 cup of cottage cheese, half a cup of sour cream, 1 egg, one cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, and 1 tablespoon of parsley chopped up. Now I'm going to assemble the spaghetti. So I have here a 9 by 13 pan, and I've sprayed it, and I'm going to put 1 pound of cooked spaghetti in there. And I'm going to pour about a cup or a little bit more of the sauce that I made. And I'm just going to mix this up first, just so that it's a little bit moist. Okay, now I have here a 1/4 cup of butter that I've sliced up, and I'm just going to put it evenly over the spaghetti. Now, the next layer is the cheese layer. I'm gonna pour it, spread it all over the noodles. Next, I'm gonna put the spaghetti sauce over it. I have here half a cup of mozzarella cheese, and I'm going to sprinkle it all over the meat. Then I'm going to cover it with tin foil so it doesn't burn, and cook it for half hour, and then remove the foil and cook it for 10 more minutes. And this half sheet pan is an insurance, because if it boils over, oh my, it'll be such a mess to clean up. Now I'm going to put this in the oven for about 30 minutes. Okay, I've taken it out of the oven. It's been about half hour. So I'm going to remove the foil. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit more cheese on it. And then I'm going to put it back in the oven for 10 minutes. The Millionaire spaghetti is done. Now, the best part, to taste it. See how thick it is? And I can see all the cheese and everything in it. And the topping is really good. This is really delicious. I love it because it has all the different things in it. And when you eat it, oh, you'll feel like you're in heaven. It's that good. So try it and you'll like it. And give it to your friends and your family. And I'm sure they'll be surprised. And this is truly a Millionaire's spaghetti. So if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. And mahalo for watching, and see you on the next video.